Dear students, in this video, we are going to start our next topic, proportion. So you have done in your 6th standard also. So what is proportion? 4 numbers, let A, B, C, D. These are 4 numbers. These are said to be in proportion if these are in proportion. When these are in proportion, if the ratio of first 2 terms is equal to the ratio of last 2 terms. If the ratio of first 2 terms is equal to the ratio of the last 2 terms. And this we can written in proportion form. It can be written as A ratio B proportion to C ratio D. In this proportion, the symbol of proportion is this. Now, A is the first term, B is the second term. Here A is the first term, B is the second term, C is third term, and D is fourth term. In this, A and D are called, these are called extremes. Extremes. This is called A and D called extremes or extreme terms, you can say. B and C, these are called means. These are called means. Now, when the terms are in proportion, when they said the terms are in proportion, then when we say that A ratio B is proportion to C ratio D, then the product of extremes is equal to product of means. When product of extremes is equal to product of means, if the A ratio B and C ratio D are in proportion. A ratio B is proportional to C ratio D. So product of extremes is A multiplied by D. Product of means is B multiplied by C. Now, this is the introduction of proportion. Let's start exercise 8B. Look at question number 2. Show that 36, 49, 6 and 7 are not in proportion. So when we want to check that this is in proportion or not, what we will do? We will find out their product of extremes and product of means. If the product of extremes is equal to product of means, then these are in proportion. If product of extremes is not equal to product of means, then these are not in proportion. So now here the extreme terms are 6 and 7. Means terms are 49 and 6. So let's take the product of extremes first. 36 into 7. So 36 into 7, it is 252. Now product of means, that is 49 into 6. So 49 into 6 is equal to 294. So we can see that therefore product of extremes not equal to product of means. So these are not equal. Hence, it is proved that 36, 49, 6 and 7 are not in proportion. It is in proportion only when if the product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now look at the 4th question. Here it is 8 ratio x is proportional to 16 ratio 35. Find the value of x. So the symbol shows that these two ratios are equal, and these two ratios are equal, and they or 8 ratio x is proportional to 16 ratio 35. So when these are in proportion, we know product of means is equal to product of extremes. These both products are equal. Product of means is equal to product of extremes. So here product of means is x into 16. It is 8 into 35. So extreme terms are 8 and 35. Means terms are x and 16. So if the value of x is 8 into 35 upon 16, do the cutting. So here 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So next 35 by, here we have 35 by 2. So we can write as it is, or we can convert this into decimals. So we can convert this into decimals also. So here it is x is equal to 35 by 2, that is equal to 17.5. This is the value of x. Look at question number 6. Find the fourth proportional to the numbers. So numbers are 5, 7 and 30. So what is the fourth proportional to this? We don't know the fourth proportional to this. So let the fourth proportional to this number is x. Let the fourth proportional to 5, 7, 30 is, we supposed, y. When we have written this A ratio, B ratio, C, D are in proportion, then we can see that D is proportional to A, B and C. Here we can see D is proportional to A, B and C. So here again we suppose that fourth proportional to 5, 7, 30 is y. So therefore 5 ratio 7 proportional to 30 ratio y. So here this is 5 ratio 7 proportional to 30 ratio y. So again the product of extremes is equal to, when these terms are in proportion, the product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 5 into y is equal to 7 into 30. So the value of y is 7 into 30 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So the value of y is 42. So the fourth proportional is, hence the fourth proportional is 42. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.